Replacing brakes, easy. Let's do it. But go ahead and break your tire loose from the car. Just loosen up these right here just a little bit before you jack it up. It's going to save you a lot of time. It's always better to be safe than sorry. What I see people do is try to get in between these brake pads right here and loosen them up with a screwdriver or something. You shouldn't have to do that. There's a little trick. If you take your rotor and just pull that sucker out, you can see those brake pads getting pressed in there. See how loose that is already? Just hold that sucker out there as long as it'll go until it finally stops. Sure, give it as much room as you can, because when you put your new brake pads in there, they're going to take up a lot of that space that you got. You'll have two bolts on the back that hold that caliper in. You got this one right here. You've also got one right there. Look how new and beautiful. You're going to want to make sure and take the cap off. You can already see how full that sucker is right there, just from pushing those pads back in. We got these little metal zingers right here. You don't want to throw those away. Those are very important. Those are how your brakes decide where they're going to stay. And so those new brakes fit right in there. Just gotta find them right in that little groove right there. Once they decide they want in there, they're gonna go.
What kind of shoes are you wearing on your feet?
Well, speaking of shoes, I got the two different pair of shoes on right now, but make sure it's just in there and you're giving her. Just give her. What helps too, when you're trying to put that sucker back on the rotor, if you just put some of your lugs back on to hold that rotor steady, it's easier to stick that puppy on there. Alright, that literally took about 10-15 minutes tops from jack up to tire on. So on the second one, what we're doing is we've got part of the brake pads already in there, as you can see. And what we're going to do is basically just kind of shake it on there. I'm going to stick a little pry bar down in there just to straighten that out, and it'll help it just drop right on there.
Wow. That just proves that violence and aggression is the answer.
Damn.
Like a bullet train.